students, welcome to Chem 3 tutorial. In this video, let's see Class 6 Science Chapter 6 Materials Around Us, NCERT solutions and some extra question and answers. First, we'll see NCERT question and answers. First question, visit your kitchen and observe your parents have organized various edibles. Can you suggest a better sorting method? Write it in your notebook. Answer, cereals such as rice, maize, wheat, ragi should be grouped together. Pulses such as moong dal, urad dal, chana dal should be grouped together. Oils such as groundnut oil and mustard oil grouped together. Question number 2. Unscramble the letters column 1 and match with their properties column 2. Here the letters are unscrambled. First one is matter, second one is soluble, third one is transparent and fourth one is lusher. First column 2, objects can be seen clearly through it. The correct answer, transparent. Second one, occupy space and has mass, that is matter. Third one, shiny surface, lustrous. Fourth one, mixes completely in water, that is soluble. Question number 3. The containers which are used to store materials in shop and our home are usually transparent. Give a reason for this. Answer. The containers which are used to store material in shops and at home are usually transparent so that the material stored can be seen clearly and can be found easily. Question number 4. State whether the statements given below are true or false. Correct the false statements. First one, wood is translucent while glass is opaque. The correct answer is wood is opaque while glass is transparent. Second one, aluminium foil has lusher while an eraser does not. Answer, true. Sugar dissolves in water where sawdust does not. Answer, true. Fourth one, an apple is a matter because it occupies space and has mass. The correct answer is true. Question number 5. We see chairs are made up of various materials such as wood, iron, plastic, bamboo, cement and stones. Following are some desirable properties of materials which can be used to make chairs. Which materials used to make chairs fulfill these properties the most? First one, hardness, does not bend or shake on sitting even after long use. The correct answer, iron, cement and stone. Next, lightweight, easy to lift or to take from one place to another. Correct answer, plastic and bamboo. Third one, does not feel cold when sitting during winter. That is wood and bamboo. Fourth one, can be cleaned regularly and made to look new even after long use. Answer, materials are made up of plastics, iron, cement and stone. Question number 6. You need to have containers for collections of food waste, broken glass, waste paper. Which materials will you choose for containers of these type of waste? What properties of materials do you need to think of? Answer, we can choose plastic containers for collection of food waste, broken glass and waste paper. These containers have different colors. Food waste is biodegradable, broken glass and waste paper is recyclable. Food waste should be collected in plastic because it does not react with the food. For broken glass, it should be hard. For waste paper, it should be light and strong. So, we should choose plastic containers for collection of food waste, broken glass and waste paper. Question number 7. Air is all around us but does not hinder us from seeing each other. Whereas, if a wooden door comes in between, we cannot see each other. It is because air is dash and the wooden door is dash. Choose the most appropriate option. Options are given. First option is transparent, opaque. Second option is translucent, transparent. Third one is opaque, translucent. Fourth one is transparent and translucent. The correct option for this, first one is transparent and opaque. Okay, air is transparent and the wooden door is opaque is the correct answer. Next, question number 8. Imagine you have two mysterious materials X and Y. When you try to press material X, it feels rigid and does not change its shape easily. On the other hand, material Y easily changes its shape when you press it. Now, when you mix both materials in water, only material X dissolves completely while material Y remains unchanged. What can materials X and Y be? Can you identify whether material X is hard or soft? What about material Y? Justify your answer. Correct answer, X can be sugar crystal and Y can be rubber block. The material X is hard and the material Y is soft. Question number 9. Who am I? Identify me on the basis of the given properties. A. I have lusher. Answer, gold. I can be easily compressed, sponge. I am hard and soluble in water, salt crystal. You cannot see clearly through me, cardboard. I have mass and volume, but you cannot see me, air. Next, question number 2, make your own who am I. We have to prepare who am I questions. Answer, you can see clearly through me. Second one, I am soft. Third one, I am non-lustrous. Fourth one, I am a liquid and insoluble in water. Fifth one, I cannot be compressed easily. Question number 10, you are provided with the following materials: vinegar, honey, mustard oil, water, glucose and wheat flour. Make any two pairs of materials which one material is soluble in the other. Now make two pairs of materials where one material remains insoluble in the other material. Answer, soluble materials are water and glucose, water and vinegar. Insoluble pairs, water and mustard oil, water and wheat flour. Next, we'll see some extra question and answers. Materials around us, extra questions and answers. First question, what is meant by classification? Answer, the method of arranging the objects into group is called classification. Second question, how do the objects get classified? Objects can be classified on the basis of common properties. Question number 3, how does materials look different from each other? Answer, materials often look different from each other. Freshly cut wood, which is unpolished, has a distinct appearance quite different from that of iron. Similarly, iron looks different from copper, aluminium. However, there might be some similarities among iron, copper and aluminium that make them different from wood. Question number 4, give some examples of lustrous and non-lustrous materials with examples. Answer, material that have shiny surfaces are said to have lustrous appearance. Example, metals include iron, copper, zinc, aluminium, gold, etc. Some metals may lose their lustrous and start to look dull appearance due to the effect of air and moisture, said to have non-lustrous. Example, paper, wood, rubber, jute, etc. Question number 5, are all lustrous materials metals? Answer, all lustrous materials may not be metals. Some materials can be made shiny by polishing or coating them with thin layers of plastics, wax or any other material which makes them look shiny. These materials may not be metal. Question number 6, which materials are harder? Materials which are difficult to compress or stretch are hard material. Question number 7, which materials are soft? Answer, materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are soft materials. Question number 8, what are transparent material? Answer, the material through which things can be seen clearly are called transparent materials. Question number 9, give some examples of transparent material. Glass, water or cellophane paper, etc. are some examples of transparent material. What are translucent material? The materials through which objects can be seen but not clearly are called translucent material. Question number 11, give some examples of translucent materials. Answer, butter paper and frosted glass are examples of translucent materials. Question number 12, what are opaque materials? Answer, there are many materials through which you are not able to see at all. These materials are called opaque materials. Question number 13, give some examples of opaque materials. Answer, wood, cardboard and metals are some examples of opaque materials. Question number 14, is water transparent? Can it be made opaque? Answer, pure water is transparent. When it mixed with the sand and mud, it can be made opaque. Question number 15, name any three materials that are soluble in water. Answer, sugar, salt and glucose. 16, name any three materials that are insoluble in water. Answer, sand, sawdust and chalk powder. Question number 17, how can you prepare ORS? Answer, ORS can be prepared at home by mixing 6 teaspoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of common salt and add a pinch of lemon juice in 1 liter of boiled and cold water. Question number 18, name some liquids which are completely mixed with water. Answer, some liquids like honey and milk are completely mixed with water. Question number 19, name the units in which mass and volume are measured. Answer, mass is measured in the units of gram and kilogram. Volume is measured in the units of liter and milliliter. Question number 20, name a material that is transparent but is not visible. Answer, air is transparent but it is not visible. That's all. If you want more videos, like, share and subscribe Chem Free Tutorial. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.